little bit faster, please.
You can go faster?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking
See,
about.
all I had to do was like one little push. Wait, look up here.
You can't. Oh, yeah. Rest. I don't even have to hold on.
You want me to spin you again?
Please.
Okay, hang on.
No, just one.
I'll give you one, like 1.5.
There's so much air pushing on me. I can't really.
Yeah, I know. I got sick earlier. Poppy and I were spinning together.
A little bit faster, okay?
Yeah. We're at Train Park.
Half push.
Yeah, half push.
Or one.
Huh?
One or half push.
Okay. That's kind of half.
Wow.
Wait, look up.